Hello everyone, my name is Billy and I'm 40 years old. Nowadays, I'm a student of Edward International School studying Up Anniversary book. Today, I'm very delighted to conduct a presentation of a topic called Water Festival. Before I start my presentation, let me pay respect to Mr. Concom, the president of Edward International School, staff, teacher, and all beloved friends. So now let's go through to my topic. The Water Festival is one of the biggest national holiday in Cambodia, and it's called Bon Om Tuk in Khmer. The Water Festival lasts for 3 days, and it's no more celebrated in November. It is celebrated at the Water Festival in order to remind a favor to our ancestors defeat the enemy. During Water Festival, people may see boatways, illuminated floats, and fireworks, making a time for good harvest and the river roll of Tunisia. Totally, I'd like to say that the Water Festival is important for the young generation to know our own culture left by our ancestors because it is our heritage. At the end, I'd like to say that thank you for paying attention to my presentation. Wish you all the best and get success in all part of your life forever and always. My recommendation: EDIS is a real knowledge of English. Don't hesitate, come and join in EDIS program if you wish to get achievement in your English study. Don't worry, be happy. Thank you.